It's 6 a.m. right now. This is what we have to deal with every time we sleep anywhere. So, I want to see how many Pringles we can stack on his face while he's asleep. Shit, I broke the thing. This is like a bad taser.
I'll be annoying as fuck. Clean them up too.
You got them all?
Bro, can y'all please fucking go to bed?
I'm just. Shut up. Keep throwing chips out like that.
You got them all right. He's gonna buckle like that.
Fucking go to sleep. Jesus fuck.
Mike, you're so fat. Go back to playing R, Tubby.
Go to fucking sleep. Hey, hold on.
So would you take me home? Yeah. Now we